People, wagwan. People, I'm here again, you understand? But this one is not a mix-up video, you understand? But, hey, y'all know Drake, right? If y'all know Drake, bro. If you don't know Drake, bro, delete your phone. Go sell it, bro. Delete every account that you own. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everything. Delete it. Y'all know Drake, bro. Drake and Kendrick Lamar is like a big beef, bro. It is no chicken. You understand? It is like a big beef. Like a steak or something, bro. You understand? Yes. This is bigger than the world, bro. You understand? But y'all know Drake, as I said before, bro. This guy got lyrics, bro. No cap. You understand? No hot, no cap, no capping, no hotting. You understand? People, subscribe right now. You understand? Big respect to all of my subscribers. Big up on yourself. Zine. But y'all know Drake. He got lyrics. He got bars, bro. So let's see if he is up for real. Because Kendrick Lamar give him wap, 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 wap in They Not Like Us song. You understand? So let's see if Jake gonna go hard. Is Jake gonna go hard, bro? If Jake do not go hard, bro, trust me, yo, this guy is capping, bro. There's no Drake anymore. Seems like Kendrick Lamar finished this guy. You understand? Jake, don't fail the world now. You understand? Do not fail the world now, bro. Do not fail the world now.
I love all my friends. Thinking about this life I provide for them. This world has some real things dividing them. My right hand, he's Muslim, I die for him. My road manager's drunk as hell at 5 p.m. I get knocked down, they help me rise again. Ref one lead the game, I saying bye with him.
Remember, guys, anything this guy say now have to be positive, bro. It have to be directly to Kendrick Lamar song, because there's no way, bro. He say, yo, you're a pedophile. You understand, pedophile, not minor. So I like all my friends. So I guess Drake is sending out a message for everyone right now to tell you guys that he still rate you. You understand? What else he gonna say, bro?
Turn this shit the fuck up.
Hey!
Don't care about my uncle,
Who's this guy?
Don't care about my uncle. Yeah, take a peek. Richie Millie, no Southwest. Take a peek on your lips, gobbling on my cup. Shit, don't care about no motherfucking watch. No. Don't care about no high-end thigh. No. Bitch, you just a.
I guess they're just vibing now. Let's see.
I just picked up something from Mercedes. It's a one-on-one. Black exterior, the one that I want. Red inside at the time of the month. Blood money, that's how I got this. Blood money, that's how I got this. We can vacation wherever we want, cause I don't care what none of my ops is. I told the promoter tonight, put me across from their section. We don't play patty cake, they just be letting us in, we don't do the inspection. I can't sleep at night.
You don't do the inspection? Damn!
At Cobb County Corrections. I think he did enough reflecting. I think my brother learned his lesson. It's all just a part of the game. We all got a roll with protection. And just like the motherfucking judge, the hammers come out for objections. Nigga, what's up? 143 Rolexes in my collection. I put the horns on the front of the back, you know, Drizzy
bro,
on Rolex.
even in 6 o'clock, bro, even the time say 6 o'clock, you're off going to work, bro. You have to just vibe in your car right now, bro.
She texting, she love me, the Mexicans love me, I'm out here just making connections. And Junior Boy rolling like Cinco de Mayo, he made out of fifth in possession. The way that I'm used to playing the politics, swear I could win the election. You niggas is overprotected with hoes, I'm already over the next one.
That is tough,
I'm at 48
bro. That is tough like a stone, bro. Just
Vino, we drunk, it's not even a question. These niggas trying to send a message. Well, leave that shit down at reception. Hey, don't care about my.
Bro, I have to pause that part, bro, and let it load, bro. Like he said, he trying to send out a message. Who is Jake talking about? So he's trying to make them learn a lesson. Let's play more.
Take a peek. Richie Millie, no Southwest. Take a peek on your lips, gobbling on my cup. Shit, don't care about no motherfucking watch.
Where is Savage and Young Thug now? Let them know we're savage. Let them know that we are the thugs. What's going on?
I just picked up something from Mercedes. It's a one-on-one. Black exterior, the one that I want. Red inside at the time of the month. Blood money, that's how I got this. Blood money, that's how I got this.
Alright.
We can vacation wherever we want, cause I don't
People,
care when
if y'all think Jake is going hard right now, Young Thug and Savage, guys, leave a subscribe right now. Just let it. Take it out of your pocket and just give me your subscribe right now. You understand? People, y'all want to hear this song? Go over on One Code Music channel right now, guys. One Code.
You hang around too many niggas that's pussy. You gotta be pussy. If it's on site, up your gun on me. All that mugging and looking. Yeah, niggas doing all that woofing. Pussy. 4L bomb shit. Walk inside the store, that switch in my armpit. I go wherever. I keep a Beretta and niggas ain't on shit. My arts together, but I don't discriminate. I got them both hit. Them niggas be lying. They niggas be dying and they'll never post shit. No rap cap come out my mouth. Made a couple songs, think he hot now. Hit his ass up, he think he pop now. Broad daylight, he got shot down. Chopper bullets make his ass hot round. Bloodshed, ain't no way to stop now. Going live to get your ass popped now. Seem like everybody wanna opt now. Leaving them flatline. Slaughter gang knife in the back, I'm on that time. Turn them to a hashtag. Make them a long live, niggas ain't my kind. Tried and true, I'm a pop mine. I was 17 with a Glock 9. I wanna see red, stop sign. I wanna see red, Clifford. She keep trying to rip out my zipper. I moved to LA, I'm a clipper. He think with his dick he a tricker. Get your bitch out the car for we blicker. We put an L tag on his car. He in Miami by Brickell. Say hello to the 4 nickel. I got a magazine, who got an issue? Giving out smoke.
This guy's not capping, bro.
My trigger finger broke.
Bro, every words he say, bro, like y'all just listening for the day, not like us, bro. Y'all just not like bro, y'all just listening, bro. He's not capping, bro. Y'all not, hey, this guy's going hard, bro.
Don't try me like no hoe. I always let it blow. I pull up 5 scope.
Yes, still, I need Drake to go by himself, bro. Like, I need you to go by yourself, bro. That guy is by himself, bro. You understand? Go by yourself, bro. Sing some lyrics by yourself, bro. Do not make no collab, bro. You understand? But I love this collab, bro. It's tough, bro. You understand? It's up. It's up, bro. What did that mean? What that mean? It's up. 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 What that mean? Like Kendrick got the crowd now. Kendrick got the crowd before. Now it's up. Something. Why they name it? It's up.
We caught them by that stove.
Tough.
How much you wanna bet they ass won't stand right there no more? I'm Slaughter Gang OVO. $500,000 a show, but I still walk in with that pole.
Like OVO.
Hey, I'm feeling like 2 Chainz. Bitch, I'm 21, bitch, I'm not 22. Knocking off the name brand niggas in your crew. Heard you miss your dogs, now long live. Idiot.
Hey, that's tough. Bro, they go hard, bro. You understand, guys? They go hard. Just go hard on my subscribe right now, bro. Bro, just go hard right now. You understand? People, explain it's up in the comment. Y'all have to explain it's up in the comment right now, bro. I wanna read comment. Bro, I have time right now. I have time, bro. I wanna read comments, bro. You understand? It's up. Why he name it? It's up, bro. You understand? But guys, this is a fresh cut. You understand? Yes, I get it by ear designed by Lex. You understand? Ear designed by Lex. She's right here on Instagram. Y'all go over there, bro. Just support her, bro. You understand? Support her. You understand? Yes. And y'all get the It's Up ear style over there. You understand? People, y'all reach the end of the video. Y'all know already. This song is a bang, bro. Tough like stone. You understand? People, I'm out.